Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can transfer money from Cash App to bank. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your mobile device and search for Cash App Help Center. Then select Cash Out from the list of options and click on this embed. You can see that there are some instructions you can follow. You can cash out your Cash App balance to any active bank or debit card linked to your account. To cash out an app, tap the Money tab on your Cash App home screen. Tap on Cash Out. Now choose an amount and press Cash Out. Select the deposit speed and confirm with your PIN or Touch ID. You can also cash out online. First of all, log into your Cash App account at cash.app/account. On the left, click on Money. Click Cash Out under your cash balance. You can also see that there is an animation present to help the users thoroughly. And that's how you can transfer money from Cash App to bank. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.